So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your DeepSeek account. So let's just start. This is the basic interface of the DeepSeek AI. So to do this, you just need to click over here, and here you can find your list of chats. And before deleting your account, if you want to export your chats, so you should export your chats, or you should just save your chats or move them to your archive, to your computer or your phone or drive or anything else if you want to save them. And if you just want to delete your account and don't want to save your um, chats, so just your email address or your profile is shown here. Just click here, and after clicking, you can see the last option that is present in the red color, that is delete your all chats. So if you have changed your mind, you just need to do your chat, so you just click and you just delete your chats. And if you want to delete your account, so you can just click delete account. After deleting account, it will just show a pop-up that it will ask confirmation about deleting your account. Will, it will forfeit you any kind of balance. It means if you purchased there any premium version or anything else, and it will block all your access to DeepSeek all services. So if you're made to your mind and you want to delete your account, so you just need to click delete again, and this action will delete your DeepSeek account forever. So this time I'm not going to delete my account, so I just need to click cancel. But basically this is the process or the method on how you can delete your account. So thank you everyone for watching this video.